2008 Toyota Corolla. Owner was told that it had a bad transmission because it wasn't shifting. Others told them that it had a bad shifter, but all it is a bad bushing here on the see if I can get you guys close. The bushing there for the shift cable just got old and disintegrated, so there's no need for replacing the transmission or the shifter assembly. Get yourself a bushing kit. It's gonna look like this. I couldn't find them anywhere, so got these on Amazon. There's a name there, and it comes with 4 and then the clips. Want to take the rest of the old bushing out, make sure it's nice and clean, and install your bushing on the white cable there, and it's gonna slide onto that peg. I'll show you once it's done. All right, after it's installed, it's gonna look something like that with the bushing on it. You can hardly see it, but it's there, it's installed. And then you just want to connect it back on that peg there. Make sure it's in park all the way up, and then connect.